Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on additive and multiplicative relationships. The graph shows 2 points that follow the rule y equals x plus 7. So it says plus 7, that lets you know this is an additive relationship. You add 7 to every x value to get your y value. The table shows ordered pairs that follow the same rule. Y equals x plus 7. What are the missing values? So if you notice, there's only 2 ordered pairs, and I'm going to label the ordered pairs. 1, 8, there's your x coordinate. Here's your y coordinate. And then the next one is 5, 12. So 5 is my x coordinate. 12 is the y coordinate, which is where you get these ordered pairs from. A lot of times students don't make the connection that the table is just coming from ordered pairs from a graph. Now, lucky for us, they already gave us the rules, so all we have to do is add 7 to our input or our x values to get my y, which is our output values. Okay, 4 plus 7 is 11. Add 7 to 13, and you get 20. All right, for the next one, it says the values in the table represent the equation y equals 6 times x. Here is your multiplicative relationship. It actually means 6 times x. A lot of times kids see that x and they think it means multiply. Not in this situation. Complete the table to represent the relationship between the values of the values of x and y. Move the correct answer to each box in the table. Not all answers will be used. Okay, so we have 6 groups of 6 and then 6 groups of 20. So we need 6 groups of other values to get 60 and 62. 6 groups of 6 will give us 36. And then how many 6 groups of something give us 60, which is 10? So we have this one used. And then 6 groups of 20 is 120. Now we left save the best one for last. Okay, so 6 groups of something to give 42. So even if you're struggling with times tables, the only one that makes sense is 12. You can double check it, 72 divided by 12, or add 12 6 times. It's totally up to you. Surely you know that 6 groups of 42 is nowhere near 72, and 66 doesn't even make sense. All right, for our final problem, a person runs laps around a track. The relationship between the number of laps, x, and the total distance in miles, y, can be represented by the equation of y equals 25 hundredths times x. That also means 1/4. I believe the 1/4 is a lot easier to solve. I'm going to solve them with the decimal and then 1 with the fraction. So it says 1/4 of 7. So that means times. Now, so in this case, it's 7 groups of 1/4 or 25 hundredths times 7. This is 35, 14, 56, 17. Have 2 decimal spots, so we put it back in. That's one way to solve it. But I also want to show you with fractions. So if you have 7 groups of 1/4, you know 4 groups of 1/4 is 1 whole. So right now I have 7 total. I know this is 1 whole, and then I have 3/4 here, which is equivalent to 1 75 hundredths. The next one is 17 groups of 1/4. So you have 17 fourths. You can divide, which is not kids' favorite, but that's okay. 4 goes into 17 4 times, 16. And then you got 4 and 1/4, which is equivalent to 4 and 25 hundredths. I think kids would be more successful if they just do repeated addition, just from what I've seen in the class. Hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.